what that boy doing. Shout out to my own. Thanks for holding it down. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the blessings. We rocking, we rolling. Y'all know how we rocking, we rolling.
Oh yeah.
All good vibes, all good energy, all good blessings.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you, God.
Yeah. 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
What's up, YouTube? We back. Pretty much got that console going the way I wanted to go. Got the double din cut out. Speaker's gonna go on the side. Got that stash spot up in there though. We got that stash spot up in there. We getting there. Gotta adjust the shifter so it line up straight. I'll put all the switches right, all the switches right here, going right there. We getting there. We getting there, then we gonna focus back getting on the doors. I'm gonna show y'all this. This one I did. Back. We out here banging. We got the avalanche ready. The line up serious. Let me see the line up. Told you, secure your spot. Just waiting on the 250 amp alternator to come in. We do that beat too, how you banging, pressure, doors want to pop off. Boone's Customs, holla at the Sunset Valley. Best in the valley. Do it all. We ain't gonna do half. We gonna give you what you're paying for. Give me some action. Huh? Give me some action. Let me see what we working with.
That's all we got to do right now.
Oh yeah.
It is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them